people find this question very difficult. I would say an algebraic. If you know arc sine or inverse sine of x equals pi over 6 or 1/6 of pi. Let's resign this one. Sorry, this computer's behaving. So to get from inverse sine of x to x, you do the opposite of x. You do sines of both sides. If I do sine of inverse sine of x, I get x. And if I do sine of pi over 6, hopefully you'll know what that is. Remember that 2 pi is 360, because obviously this is degrees we're dealing with. It's radians here, not degrees. Pi is 180, and so pi over 6 is 30. So sine pi over 6 is the same as sine 30. And sine 30 you can work out from an equilateral triangle, but it's a half. So x is a half. You're then asked to find arc cos x, and this is slightly more difficult. I have drawn a graph here, drawn a triangle rather here, with the idea that you were trying to relate it to. Arc sine is the relationship between the opposite and the hypotenuse, so that we know that it's x over 1. So if we know that the original angle for the opposite hypotenuse was here, 30 degrees, that would be our arc sine. And from Pythagoras we could work out, knowing this, what this line is in, and go into arc cos. But with arc cos, I think it probably makes more sense to keep on the algebraic roots. So if you didn't understand what I was just saying there, don't worry about it. To get from x to inverse cos of x, we just do inverse cos of both sides. So if x equals a half, then cos to the minus 1, or arc cos of x, equals cos to the minus 1 of a half. And if you do cos to the minus 1 of a half on your calculator, if you're in radians, you'll get pi over 3. If you are in degrees, which is your final answer. There we go.